Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. We go to Jyotirlinga to raise our consciousness to Shiva consciousness, truth consciousness. But we go to the Pancha Mahabhuta Lingas to cleanse our Pancha Mahabhutas, to overcome our problems, health problem or relationship problem, any problems we have. So there are Shivlingas that are connected to Navagrahas. There are Shivlingas that are connected to Pancha Mahabhutas. There are Shivlingas that go beyond the body and mind. They connect to the light. That is a truth consciousness. That we call it a Jyotirlinga. Call it as a Jyotirlinga. So many times when we go and sit the Jyotirlinga, we don't feel anything, many of us, because it is not at the dimension of energy or body or Pancha Mahabhuta. It is beyond. Only a siddha can experience the Jyotirlinga. Very, very few can experience the light form of Jyotirlinga. So what they have done is, these siddhas, they realized that highest dimension vertex of that light is on this earth at that place. So what they wanted, they protect that. They don't want to impure it. So they put one Shivlingam there and they call it as a Jyotirlinga. It should be worshipped. Everybody should go for a pilgrimage because it's so powerful. It is very difficult to explain. Same thing they have done for Pancha Mahabhutas. They find that how this physical body has a Pancha Mahabhutas, how this physical body has a chakras, how this physical body has those Navagraha elements inside that. The same way this Divine Mother Earth also have a different chakras. Different chakras are the different energy vortex where all the same thing is existed. They realize that there is a two path, that is outside path, inner path. Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham.